Hello and welcome, and this is the
enthusiast.
And today we are going to talk about Redmi K40 series. Meanwhile, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and become part of Big Tech family because I'm uploading daily tech videos and also turn on the notifications. And goal for today's video is to reach 50 likes. So smash that like button, also share video with your friends on all social media, and with all that being said, let's continue with the topics. A Chinese retailer has hinted that the Xiaomi Redmi K40 series will be purchasable from the middle of the next month. We may only be 2 weeks from the Redmi K40 series debut though, which may coincide with New Year's Eve in China. Supposed hands-on images of the Redmi K40 Pro have appeared online too, but I'm really doubtful of their authenticity. We are only a few days away from the beginning of February, the month that Xiaomi has confirmed will mark the arrival of the Redmi K40 series. While the Chinese company is yet to specify a launch date for the series, a Chinese retailer has suggested that the Redmi K40 and Redmi K40 Pro will be orderable on February 17th. As far as I can tell, February 17th will be the start of flash sale for the Redmi K40 series, rather than when the series will begin shipping. Additionally, February 17th within the China Spring Festival Golden Week, so Xiaomi is expected to announce the Redmi K40 series before the commencement of that holiday period. Paris News believes that February 11th, Chinese New Year's Eve, will be chosen as the date when Xiaomi unveils its latest Redmi smartphones. Two supposed hands-on pictures of the Redmi K40 Pro have surfaced too. Sadly, these looks like fakes. The rear-facing camera module's lighting does not match the rest of the back panel, for example, and neither does the Redmi logo look correct. Additionally, the font of the supposed About Phone screen looks off. Some of the reputed specifications may be correct, but Xiaomi has already confirmed that at least one member of the Redmi K40 series will have a Snapdragon 888 processor. Ultimately, we would be surprised if this really is the Redmi K40 Pro. Redmi's general manager Lofi Bing has since revealed that the new Redmi K40 will launch next month. According to a recent poster, this device will arrive on February 25th. This smartphone will probably have two versions. One will use the Snapdragon 888 processor, while the other will have the Snapdragon 870 chip. The company has since revealed that the starting price of the device is 2,999 yuan or 463 American dollars. However, this price tag is for the Snapdragon 888 version. The Snapdragon 870 version will be cheaper. The latest information shows a high-definition render of the upcoming Redmi K40. This image is basically the same as previous renders, just with more clarity. The Redmi K40 will adopt an entirely different design from the previous generation. It will use a center punch hole and a straight display. According to reports, this smartphone will have the smallest punch hole in the industry. It will be only 2.8 millimeters. On the rear, it will continue to use the huge matrix quad rear camera module, similar to the Redmi K30s. The four cameras are arranged in a diamond shape and the flash is on the right side of the camera module. Recently, we saw the packaging box of the Redmi K40 and the image is from the Lofi Bing. According to his Weibo post, there are two versions, one is thick and another is thin. Looking at the images, the box, which is thick, probably has a charger, while the thin box does not. Lofi Bing said, "Thick or thin? This is a difficult choice. Ask everyone for your opinion. We know that the Xiaomi Mi 11 has launched two packaging versions. One is to send the charger, the other is not, and the price of the two is the same. So I guess Redmi K40 may also adopt this solution." It appears that the Redmi is seeking the opinion of buyers. There is also the possibility that the Redmi will adopt both versions for different markets. as of now, I cannot absolutely tell if the Redmi K40 will not come with a charger. From the speculation so far, the Redmi K40 will come with the Snapdragon 888 processor. The official starting price of this smartphone is 2,999 yuan or 463 American dollars, and it will also come with a 4000 mAh battery. There is no information on the fast charging capacity for now. According to reports, the Redmi K40 screen will be an OLED display made of Samsung E4 luminescent materials, which supports a high refresh rate of 120 Hz. This phone will also use LPDDR5 memory and UFS 3.1 flash memory. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful and you learned something new, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and become part of Big Tech family. Turn on notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 50 likes. So smash that like button, and guys, comment down below what do you think about the Redmi K40 series. I would really like to know that. And also share video with your friends on all social media. And with all that being said, I see you all in the next video. Peace.